Imagine walking into a factory where robots work alongside humans. Machines predict failures before they happen, and AI optimizes every step of production. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's happening right now. In fact, the global AI in manufacturing market is expected to grow from $3.2 billion in 2023 to $20.8 billion by 2028, at a compound annual growth rate of 45.6%. That's massive. But here's the big questions. How to implement AI in the manufacturing industry? What are the key technologies driving this change? And what challenges should you expect? Let's break it all down in this video. Artificial intelligence technologies transforming manufacturing. First, predictive maintenance. AI helps manufacturers predict failures before they happen, reducing downtime and saving thousands of dollars in repairs. AI-powered robotics. Industrial robots are now AI-driven, meaning they can learn, adapt, and even work with human employees. Companies like Tesla and BMW use AI-powered robotic arms for precision and efficiency, computer vision, and quality control. AI doesn't just automate tasks, it improves quality. AI-powered cameras detect defects in real time, ensuring only the best products leave the factory floor. Supply chain optimization. AI analyzes demand patterns, raw material availability, and logistics to optimize supply chains. No more overstocking or delays. Artificial intelligence in product design. From designing lightweight car parts to testing product durability, AI simulations save time and reduce costs in manufacturing new products. Here at Apptunix, we specialize in custom AI solutions for manufacturing, helping businesses like yours automate processes, reduce costs, and boost efficiency. Book a free AI consultation today. Now that you know what AI can do, let's see how you can implement it in your manufacturing business. How to get started with AI in manufacturing. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Identify AI use cases. Where can AI make the biggest impact in your production line? Step 2. Gather and analyze data. AI thrives on data. The more accurate your data, the better the AI performs. Step 3. Choose the right AI solutions. Whether it's robotics, predictive analytics, or quality control, pick what fits your needs. Step 4. Partner with an AI development company. Implementing AI needs expertise. A trusted tech partner like Apptunix can fast-track your AI adoption. Step 5. Start with a pilot project. Test before scaling. A small AI trial helps evaluate feasibility before full-scale deployment. How much does AI integration in manufacturing cost? AI in manufacturing is transforming the industry, but the cost of implementation varies significantly. Small AI pilot projects typically start at $20,000, while full-scale automation with AI-driven robotics can surpass $500,000. There are several factors that influence these costs, including hardware requirements, cloud versus on-premise AI deployment, workforce training, and customization needs. Companies can optimize expenses by beginning with a pilot project, leveraging cloud-based AI solutions, and partnering with experienced AI development firms. That's where Apptunix comes in. With 11+ years of experience and 300+ tech experts, we offer services including AI-powered predictive maintenance, smart automation and robotics integration, computer vision for quality control, artificial intelligence-driven supply chain optimization, custom AI model development, seamless integration with existing systems, cost-effective AI implementation. Ready to transform your manufacturing with AI? Don't let outdated systems slow down your business. Partner with Apptunix and take your manufacturing efficiency to the next level. Click the link in the description to get started.